Alright, so you want to start selling Etsy, or maybe just create an account to explore the platform. Good move, because Etsy is one of the best places to sell handmade, digital, or unique products in 2026. So let's go step by step and create your account the right way. First, open your browser and go to Etsy.com. This is where everything starts. At the top right corner, click Sign In, then choose Register to create a new account. Now enter your email address, name, and password. Make sure you use a valid email. You'll need it to verify your account. After signing up, Etsy will send you a verification email. Open it and confirm your account. Once you're in, set up your profile. Add a profile picture, name, and basic info. It makes your account look more trustworthy. For better security, turn on two-factor authentication. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. If you want to sell, click Sell on Etsy and start setting up your shop. You'll need to choose a shop name, add products, and set payment details. To receive payments, add your bank details and billing information. This step is required if you plan to sell. Now you're ready. Take some time to explore your dashboard, settings, and features, so yeah, that's how you create an Etsy account in 2026. Whether you're buying or selling, you're now ready to get started. Take your time, explore the platform, and build something great.